All right, everybody, I'm sure you could tell by the thumbnail or the title of this video, we have a new addition to the garage. We're still working on the Porsche, we're still working on the blue car, but I got a deal that I could not pass up, so I will show you guys. So this is a 6.7 liter diesel powerstroke F250. It is a platinum, as you can see by the badge, and the tailgate, it looks pretty much black from the outside, but when you get closer, I don't know if it comes up on camera, it has a like sparkle flake to it, and it's like a root beer color. If you remember from a previous video, it is the one with the pinstriping. I saw that they kept lowering the price, and so Julie and I went on a recon mission and tried to get rid of it. So when we were at the dealership, we brought the supplies in her purse, and while they were inside making copy of my license, I tried to remove it and it came off super easy. So I was like, all right, we got a deal. So we worked out the deal. We got a super, I mean, we got it probably 15K below what it should sell for. And so I'm super happy with it. Obviously, there's some plans to upgrade it. I was debating between this and the newer body style. The newer body style was obviously more attractive. However, I wouldn't get as much utility as I would out of this truck because I already have the G-Wagon. I already have a perfected finished product that I drive and I love. But on this one, it gives me a little more utility because it's a little bit of a project. So I'll make a video about removing the pinstripe. It's super easy. I'm super glad that we were able to figure that out. But we plan to make some updates to it as well. So we can, you know, kind of add it as a car on the channel versus just if I got an F250 that was the newer body style. There really wouldn't be much to do. It would just be a truck that I drive around. So, and obviously this one was much cheaper, so that works out. But yeah, wired them the money and on the spot and took the truck home. So super excited. I'll show you guys the interior. So for those of you that are wondering, it does fit in the garage, but interior is black. I don't know if you could see it. I'll try to shine a light here. It's a little dark out, but whatever. It's just a black platinum interior. It does fit in the garage. I'll post some pictures. It is super close on the length and the height, but we're gonna take down the shelf with the rims so that I can back it up all the way to this wall. That way it'll fit. I parked it here and it was just right up against that hose reel. So I think we're gonna park Julie's car here and then I'll park in this bay. That way she doesn't have to struggle to get around my truck every day. But so if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys next week. I'm just really trying to show you love. Say you tired and you need a